1, 2, 3, a big gap, 4, 5, 6, 7 magnets in there. I'm not sure why there's a big air gap in the middle here, except to save money. So we've got the Vevor 48-inch sweeper here suspended on the forklift above the chain. Got the chain centered underneath there. We're 8 inches above the ground. We're going to lower it down until we see when it starts to actually attract something. Yeah, it's balancing there. Hope it doesn't fall. So the maximum distance it'll pick up from is 2 1/8 inches.